Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this beautiful tree topper. Looks like a designer had done it, right? And I used not only Christmas sprays, but also some free supplies from the outside. Like my hydrangeas, I spray painted them gold, and grasses. There's so many free grasses growing out there, why not use them? And if you like this video, please don't forget to press thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. That way you become my bestie and we're gonna be in touch, okay?
We are going to start off with the Starburst light. Remember I showed you last year, got it for $10 at Walmart. They have it, they advertising as a hanging light, but what I do is just attach it to my tree with couple zip ties. And it's a great way to brighten up your top. Otherwise, just bring some extra string lights in there, okay? And to achieve that designer look, we are going to need some Christmas sprays. And I have accumulated these over the years. Every year I buy one type, and this year I bought this one, the pampas grass looking one. It was 50% off at Michael's. And besides, I have the gifts of nature from the outside. We are going to add one type at a time. One to the front, one to the left, one to the right, and spread them out. You are going to need about 3 or 4 of each type. And don't forget to fluff them up, it really makes a difference. Insert each stem in the center along the tree's bole. The Starburst really supports the stems, but if you don't have it, you might want to use the pine tips around there to twist tie your stems in so they don't fall out and stay in place. Also mix up your different stems together. Okay, and continue adding. Okay, so looking pretty nice, right? But still not as full as I wanted. So what I'm gonna do is go out to my garden and cut down some hydrangeas. The flowers are almost dry already, but the leaves have to be removed. So I leave them in my vase like this for a day or two, and then I spray paint them gold. And that's when I add a few of these all around the tree topper. I also have nice big hydrangeas, but I think these pointy ones look better in a topper. And I add the large heads to the tree later. And we finish it off with a cherry on top of the grass for free. Look how pretty. It adds so much softness to my topper. Absolutely love it. What do you think? Do you like it? Have you ever used any of the gifts of nature in your tree? I think it's a great budget-friendly idea. And if you like to see how I added ribbon to my Christmas tree, you want to see this video, I'll link it for you below. And I'll make another one showing you the whole thing with all my tips and tricks, how I decorated the whole thing.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, press thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.